another episode of Damaged TV with DamagedCreator. And today, we're gonna cook. I got some great ingredients. Oh shit, let me get out the way, because I'm in the street. I got the ingredients in my bag, plus a little something for myself. And today, we are going to make chicken parmesan sandwiches. Now I know what you're thinking. Chicken parmesan sandwiches, that's gonna take too long. Well, with my simple little recipe, it won't have to take that long. See? Just use your brain. I'll make it 10 minutes less. That's a good idea. 10 minutes less. That sounds good. So, I will see y'all in the kitchen. See you when I get there. Alright, y'all. We back in the kitchen. I got a little bit more comfortable. Let me hide the boobies. And we getting ready to do the chicken parmesan sandwiches. So, for the sauce and things, I got my go-to Mantia's garlic herb pasta sauce. This is 99¢. And I like to thin out the sauce a little bit. Well, heat it up, basically. But that's just basically the sauce. For the Parmesan, we got another Mantia's product. This is grated Parmesan cheese, $2.49. Let me check the expiration date. I like to check the expiration date on many of my food products, because you know how grocery stores be. So Parmesan cheese. For the cheese that's gonna go on this thing, I got natural cheese mozzarella, low moisture part skim mozzarella from Colbert Farms. I forgot how much this costs, but this is like almost up to $3, I believe. Don't quote me on it. And then we got the chicken patties. We got baked chicken breast patties, $3.99, baby. And then for the bun, we got Grissom's Mill. Yep, Grissom's Mill hamburger buns. Is no more than 8 of them, and these were for 99¢. All right. Now, you see the food. I got the skillet for my sauce. I normally would use it for, like my ground meats and stuff, but we're going to use that for the sauce, okay? So, let's prep it all up, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so we back. I've already dealt with the sauce portion. Instead of using the skillet, I use a pot. Give me 1 second. I gotta rearrange my outfit. And I gotta wipe this floor up, because I didn't set sauce on the floor. But we had a really almost close call with the sauce and the skillet. Let's just say it didn't go well when I added the sauce. So I recorded that portion, but we're not going to use it because there's no point in really having it, because that was scary. But yeah, I'm putting the thinned out sauce back. This has been thinned out with the olive oil and a non-stick cooking spoon. That's pretty much all the sauce that was thinned out. I'm going to go take this and rinse it out. That's all the sauce. I'm going to wipe where the sauce didn't get in. Oh my goodness, it's a lot. It's like all over the place, because I looked back at the recording that I did, and I was like, oh, this is going to be good. And then the sauce started to like go which way. I was like, oh, hell to the no. I will not be recording that and putting that on the tube. That's not what we do. But once again, this is the sauce. The sauce is already done. And it was recorded. It's just best that we, you know, for time purposes, we don't use it. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Just 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, so the patties are done. We're going to be taking the patties out. Oh, those patties are good. And they've been in the oven for about 12 minutes. Those look amazing. Nice and grilled. Oh, well, baked. So these have been done quite well. So I'm looking forward to using these. I do believe pretty much everything is done. I don't normally toast the buns, but I would do it. But there's no point toasting buns, you know, for time purposes and things. Oh man, this house smells so nice now. And this is perfect for, like, you know, dinner. I do dinner like this. So, an optional thing is to toast the buns. If you want to toast the buns, be my guest. But I'm not toasting the buns because I want to end this video on a good note. So, of course. So, we're taking out our 2 buns. You can also melt the cheese. But, come on now. Who got time to melt cheese? You could also put the cheese in the oven with it, but I don't like my cheese to be too burnt, so I didn't do that. Take my scissors and cut. So we're taking the cheese out. I normally get provolone, but I didn't see any, so I got mozzarella instead. So there are some good options. You can use like Italian cheese or provolone. Me personally, I would use provolone because of it's a circle and it fits on the patty just as nice. So, cheese there. Like I said, if you want to melt it, that is your business. You know what? I'm going to actually go put it in the microwave. You know, let's be fancy for a little bit. So, you know, see me Put the patties on the bottom situation. That's what these look like. I'm going to move the bun. And then we'll dress it up in a little. And we'll get rid of these scissors. Let's go ahead and melt this cheese and we'll be back in a bit. Okay, so I am coating the inside of the top bun with our marinara sauce, which looks absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to be putting... Well, I'm not putting this up yet because we're going to put it in the chicken too. The cheese has now melted. And we're going to once again add, and I added this during the time I did the sauce. So we're adding crunched up Parmesan cheese onto our bun. So let me just show you what I'm doing. Crunched up Parmesan cheese onto the mozzarella. Taking our sauce. Adding onto the cheese as well. Optional thing you can do is parsley and cilantro, but sauce is amazing. I save the sauce for later. Sauce is a good job. And now for the moment of truth. Taking our top buns. Cleaning up after ourselves. Has led us to this moment. How do these taste? Pretty good. Yeah. That's it for the episode. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video, click the notification bell whether you. That way you know when I go under my videos. Let me know what you would have did differently. You know, there's room for improvement. And I will see you all next time. Bye. I'm gonna go eat.